Hello everyone. Do you know how to add the tabs here? If you don't know, then let's learn. We will want to add Weldment tab here. Okay. So we will right click on any tabs, then click on tabs, then click on Weldments. Okay. Like this. You can see Weldment tab is added. Now we will add a surfaces tabs here. Okay. Then click right on any tabs, then click on tabs, then surfaces. Okay, now surfaces also added, just like we will add a sheet metal tabs. Okay, click on sheet metal tab is added, just like you can add any other tabs here. Okay, thank you.